everyone, welcome to another video. So today I have a new set of pucks for the jack pad, for the jack holes on the bottom of your Tesla. These are the cheapest ones I could find on Amazon with 1 day shipping. These cost me about 14 bucks with 1 day shipping on Prime. Super cheap. Let's see what they look like. So I have had jack pucks that I use every day, or not every day, but every time I need them to rotate my car. I thought I had a set of 4, but actually I just had a set of 2, or maybe that I lost 2 of them. Let's open this up and see what's inside. It's gonna be a hard time opening this thing up. Okay, so the outer packaging was this black plastic covered in tape, and the inner packaging is all this bubble wrap. Okay, so comes in a nice little carrying case. So it's a hard material carrying case. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So double zippered. I don't know how they can afford to sell this stuff for 14 bucks, but it didn't have any reviews. So I'm guessing it's a new product and they're trying to get some reviews. And so they're selling it for super cheap. And I noticed that they were thicker than the other jack pads, and that's why I got these. So there's a little protector on the top. I wonder what the purpose of that is. I wonder if you're supposed to leave it in place or take it off. So this is a very hard plastic, much harder than I expected, which is good because my other one is, here, I'll show you. I have my car jacked up here because I have a flat tire, and the other one, the jack actually sinks into the jack pad, and you can see, you know, it bends the plastic trim material here. So these are hard. I can't even dig my nail into it. These are hard. I can't even dig my nail into it. So it's a much better jack pad. I don't know what this 3 is for. I guess Model 3. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to leave this rubber on there. I guess I'll leave it on there just so that it doesn't scratch up the jack pad. There's a little metal tab in the back here, so I guess there's some metal inside. I'm really happy with it. It comes with a nice carrying case. There's a little net here in case you wanted to put something else in there. It has a little handle on top, so it's easy to carry. I bought this because I'm about to get a new set of tires, and I wanted to have these for the tire installer in case they don't have them. Let's try to squeeze it in here and see if it stays by itself. So squeeze it in here. There you go. Okay, so it snaps in place. So once it snaps in place, it stays in there. And then, of course, you can kind of use some circular motion to pull it out. All right, yeah, yeah. So yes, it does stay in place. It does stay up there. Okay, so I just pulled out my old jack puck from the hole here. You can see it's all scratched up, and I had a hard time pulling it out because it kind of, you know, gets all deformed. So this is garbage. We're gonna put the new jack puck on and jack up the car. Okay, I seem to have it well centered now, so I'm gonna jack it up, see if there's any sliding. I don't see any sliding so far, and it's taking on the full weight of the car, and it's not deforming, which is good. And it's not pressing on my trim, which is another positive, unlike my last jack puck. As you can see, I'm getting the weight of the car on the jack now. This rubber piece, I would probably pull them out because it gives you more space and more leeway. Anyways, so I'm really happy with this purchase. For $14, you get a carrying case, 4 jack pads that are really well designed, thick, rubberized so they won't scratch up your surface. And what else can you ask for? Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you on the next one.